Morning, guys. This is our review, right? For our mock test that's going to be next week, right? So the content here for our mock test, describe the weather nouns, the temperature, seasons, greenhouse, clothes and accessories, right? Here are the answers, okay, from last activity. Letter A, the weather during summer in Canada is hot and humid
Teacher, what
weather.
page?
Okay, the answer from last activity, right? Letter B, we have here the weather during winter in Canada is freezing cold. The weather during spring in Canada can snow. The weather during fall in Canada is cool, right? Um, the exercise 8 from the last activity, the answer was the weather during summer in Campo Grande is hot. If you made different, no problem. We can talk in the end of our class. The weather during winter in Campo Grande is sometimes cold, sometimes cool, sometimes hot. The weather during spring in Campo Grande is rainy and hot. The weather during fall in Campo Grande is sometimes cool, sometimes cold, and sometimes hot. Don't forget, sometimes means às vezes, right? Okay. And the picture, eu coloquei uma picture, okay, on your activity. And the picture is a greenhouse em Curitiba. Então, quem já foi para Curitiba conhece a greenhouse que há em Curitiba, right? E a outra resposta era personal answer, ok? Você poderia dizer
Teacher, tem uma pergunta.
okay, in the end, okay? In the end, we talk about yes or no. You can write, okay? You can chat that, or you memorize your question and you ask me in the end, right? Or you can say, yes, I know a greenhouse. Okay, this is a personal answer. Page 87, exercise 1, we have here the answers. They are at a greenhouse. The other answer, they are visiting a greenhouse. Remember, on page 87, we had here some kids in a greenhouse, like this one here, right? This picture here, right? So they are at a greenhouse, they are visiting a greenhouse, and the other one, they are wearing t-shirts, they are wearing shirts, glasses, right? And the other answer is it's warm, right? So the other one here is about page 87, exercise 2. Let's see here. Let me just check. Okay. It's hot and dry. It's cold. It's freezing. It's warm. Okay. And page 88, exercise 4, we have a suggested answer. I gave my answer. I wear dress and sunglasses during summer. Okay. Page 88, exercise 5, we have picture 1. If you were following your books, I'm talking about this one, these pictures here, right? So the girl on the first picture, the hat of the girl is red, and the second picture, the hat of the girl is yellow, okay? Is one of the differences, right, that we have here. The other one, picture 1 is sunny, picture 2 is cloudy and windy, okay?
No, number 4.
Okay, we check.
Essa
We
já
check
é
in
a
the end.
segunda parte, né? Essa é a segunda parte.
Now, yes. Now we are gonna check the second part, the part that is the review, okay? The review we are gonna talk about, okay? Look at the picture and answer. How is the weather? So you look here, we have some clouds here, okay? How is the weather? So you have to remember, right? The names of the weather: sunny, cloudy, rainy, foggy. I remember that in the beginning of our class today, Valentina said that the weather was foggy. Okay, good. Foggy or sunny. Okay, it's okay because in the beginning it was foggy and after it was sunny, right? Here, you have to look at the picture, national forecast, Wednesday, okay, a day. Look at the picture and answer questions 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have, how is the weather in Chicago? You look here, you look for Chicago. Where is Chicago? Here. You observe here the weather and you write here. The weather in Chicago is, right? You observe here, guys. Number 3, how is the weather in Boston? You look here, Boston, and you look the weather here, right? Number 4, how is the weather in Portland? You look here, Portland, you look the weather here, and you answer, right? And number 5, how is the weather in Los Angeles? You look here, Los Angeles, and you write down the weather in Los Angeles, okay? The other exercise, you have a text. Read the text about Spain and answer. We have a text about Spain, the best time to visit Spain, okay? We have spring, fall, some places here, and we have a short text about spring here. We have a short text about the fall in Spain here, okay? And number 6, how is the weather during spring? Okay, you look here, spring in Spain, okay? And you write here. Number 7, easy peasy, guys. You look at the picture below and answer. You look this. What is the name of this structure? You look and you write down here, right? Easy peasy. This one we have, observe the image, okay, this image here, the image below, and answer questions 8 and 9. So we have 2 girls here, 2 women here, and they are wearing different clothes, and you have to answer here. Number 8, how is the temperature in the image? You have to write according to the image. Number 9, what are they wearing? And you have to write here. She is wearing right? And she is wearing right? And number 10, how is the temperature in the picture below? Easy peasy, guys. You look here, the temperature here, and you write, it is, right? Very, very easy. Now, let's see all your questions, okay? Let's see here. Let me stop sharing. You can unmute yourselves, okay? Let me stop.
No questions.
Here. Oh,
Teacher,
no questions, right?
I have a
No
question.
question.
You have a question? Let's see. Now let's organize here. You raise your hand. okay? And we can see here. Elena, please tell me your question.
Teacher.
Yeah.
I
Tell
have
me.
a question, na correção, na verdade.
Ah, okay.
No
Now we're
primeiro
correction.
exercício, no primeiro exercício da segunda parte,
Right.